Well, here's a blast from the past. The gentleman that we just acquired this car from bought it from us in 1985. I might have been the one that sold it to him. He's done a lot of work since then, upgraded suspension and brakes. This has the dual gate shifter, the 400 motor. Got a lot to tell you about it. So that top's down. Let's go for a spin. You can go to volocars.com. There's over 200 cars, collector cars for sale, and that's where you find a price tag on every car, along with a monthly finance option. So the hood fits really great. The rubber bumper is really nice. We'll get back to that in a minute. It has the dual scooped GTO hood. Lines up nice and square and flush. It's clean metal right down to the bottom. You put sport mirrors on it. Door lines up clean, straight, all clean. Opens real easy, shuts real nice. Quarter panels clean, straight. Even underneath there, smooth. This all lines up nice. No bumps or bubbles along here. Clean, straight lines. I don't see any damage or issues with this body at all. All nice and clean. Lines up real square. Shuts real nice. No rust, no damage. It's straight. So the body is in really nice shape. The original color would be Verduro green. I think this is tweaked a little bit. It has more metal flake, a little bit of golden metal flake that pops when the lights hit it. So it's a beautiful paint job. He obviously had it painted during the time he owned it. The metal flake is laid out evenly. It's all one color, and it is polished smooth like glass. So let's talk about the bumper some more. First of all, it has the hideaway lights. To me, that's a must on a 68 or 9 GTO. So that's all in really nice shape. The bumper's really nice. Even the nose is really nice, and it all fits really good. Yep, got to go down one more click. So the bumper's in great shape. Windshield must have been replaced. It's crystal clear. The stainless trim is very good. The chrome is shiny. Has a couple little pimples, little pits in the chrome, but it's shiny. The rubber seals are nice. Door handle looks really good. I like the wheels. They're the modern version of the Rally 2s. And boy, those are some wide wheels. They're US Mag modern Rally 2s with extreme contact performance tires. The arrowhead marker lights are cool. They look new. Emblem looks new. Tail lights, bumper, that all looks new. I don't have the boot. I just threw it on here kind of quick. It's not on there properly. Convertible top. That's a tan top, and that looks like it's new. The pads look new. So really nice shape. There is a chip in the paint right down here. We should get that touched up. Remind the salesman they'll touch it up. Also on the edge of the door, there's a couple little chips right on the edge there. So really nice looking outside. Love the hideaway lights. Love the Rally 2s. Now let's open it up, see the inside. All right, let's see what we have in store for us here. Well, under the trunk lid's painted. I even see the metal flake sparkling. The jam is painted real nice. There's a new weather strip. Completely solid trunk, neatly spatter painted. New well liner. It has a nice BF Goodrich tire on an original style Rally 2 wheel for spare tire. I don't see a jack. I see a lug wrench, but no jack. Got a new mat. It's a nice clean trunk compartment. Now those wheels, they're 18-inch front and back, but look at how wide they are in back. Those are some wide wheels. I think they look great. The stance on this car is nice. It's lowered. We'll talk about the suspension in a minute. Door jambs are very nice. Weather strips look like they're replaced. Door panels look fresh. They're clean. They're straight. The armrest is real nice. There's a joystick for the remote mirror. Modern set of gauges. Let me turn the key on and fire those things up so you can see how cool they look. Yeah, they're sharp looking. But the instrument panel is all original. The wood grain's probably been replaced. That's probably the radio that was in there when we sold it to him in 1985. An old Sanyo cassette player. Dash pad is straight, not cracked. Glove box looks good. Kick panels are nice. Carpet is good, but it's a little frayed, it's a little wrinkled. Now 68, they came with the Hurst dual gate shifter. And what that means is you click it open and you can put it over here and shift through the gears rather than just putting it in drive. Just kind of a novelty, cool thing that Hurst made. Nice center console, nice bucket seats. It's the correct 68 upholstery. Backs of the seats real nice. This upholstery is real nice. Original seat belts. So like the carpet, they're good. They're not bad, but they're good. There's the 1985 speakers in there. Those are probably really cool back in the day. Interior lights work. I want to point you down to right here. This trim is kind of beat up on both sides. And then you got a walnut steering wheel in real nice shape. The visors look to be real good. So it's a nice interior. Some carpet would really freshen it up, but doesn't need it. This is one of those cars you get in, you drive. You go enjoy it. So the motor is a 400 engine. He had rebuilt by Precision. It's got a hotter cam. It's been reworked to give it some good horsepower. Up on top is a high-rise Edelbrock with a dual-feed Holley carb, has electric choke, has an HEI ignition hiding back there, a set of Hedman headers. Then you can see the whole firewall. This is painted glossy. It's all nice and clean. There's a peek at the tubular suspension that we're going to talk about. It's got a Champion aluminum radiator underneath the cover, and it's got the shroud. All the pulleys are nice. Power Master alternator. Optima battery. Power steering. All new Willwood brake system. All power brakes. Wiper motor looks new. Has the hood insulation. It's a pretty nice looking motor compartment.
Alright guys, we are in the GTO. We're going to take her around the block, show you how she drives. Awesome car. I got to start out, I love this color. You got to see it in the sunlight. This metallic flake absolutely pops. So far feels pretty good. It's sitting on the QA1 adjustable suspension, so when you use name brand stuff like that, it's going to ride pretty good. Feels good over the bumps, not too stiff, not too firm. Steering's nice and tight on it, the brakes feel good. Brakes work really good. I think it's the Willwood brakes, I believe. So it should have plenty of stopping power. Turn signal lights up. Let's see what the refreshed motor and new trans has in it. Yeah, getting up to speed, no problems. Shifts like butter. Feels really good. Look at this, straight down the road, gliding over the bumps. She's a cruiser. Horn works. That's what I like to see. I love a good GTO. This one's got the muscle, the style, and the sound. The Hurst gated shifter, that's a nice touch. I'm glad he kept it with the new trans. A lot of people switch those out. Whew. This thing sounds really good. But yeah, there you guys have it. Get in and go. 68 convertible GTO.
So obviously it's not a perfect car, but it is a very good car. I wouldn't have bought it. It's a beautiful car. It's got some looks, got the hideaway lights. Now we're going to talk about the underneath. That's where there's a lot of money spent. It does have the Willwood disc brakes, which you can see kind of poking through the wheels. Red calipers, drilled and slotted rotors at all four wheels. All upgraded suspension. Up front is the big tubular control arms, fatter sway bar, QA1 adjustable coilover shocks. The whole rear setup is custom. Solid square tube control arms, sway bar, coilover adjustable shocks. Has a stainless steel dual exhaust system. It sounds great, goes all the way out the back. Excuse me. The fuel system's been replaced. Looking up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. And I didn't even tell you yet, but the transmission is actually 700 R4. So it has that overdrive that you can go cruising with. And with the 390 posi gear that it has, it'll light these tires up at the light too. So best of both worlds. You want a hot rod around town, or you want to go an hour away, go cruising, it'll do it. There's also a finned aluminum cover on the rear end, helps to keep it cooler. The floors have been undercoated. So you got a nice hot rod here without a ton of money to be spent. Excuse me. So every car goes through our shop for inspection. This one here, we actually put in the radiator. It says a new aluminum radiator, replaced the reverse light switch, adjusted the driver's seat to function properly, has a new speedometer gear, so we made it accurate. And that was about all they did on this one. You go to volocars.com, that's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer any more questions you have. As a matter of fact, the fellow we bought it from was going to go through his receipts, and we might have more information on the website, more than what I just told you about. A salesman can help you get this delivered. They can help you get it financed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.